for students and to continue that funding, and we said that in Islam it's sadaqah, so it's very important to provide to students and to Muslim and non-Muslim who can get their education by funding them in their countries, like in Afghanistan, like in Palestine, like in Syria, and like in Somalia, like in Sudan, and some in Rohingya. So we make many program could be to reduce that problem and to get their right of education.
Okay, thank you. The fifth question is, what strategy does ISCO use to improve the quality of education in underserved communities?
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry, could I repeat this question?
Yes, sure, can.
The fifth question is, what strategies does ISCO use to improve the quality of education in underserved communities?
Okay. The strategy, actually, we work in many things. It's like in our mission and visions here, we make like many programs. The main program here, as we said, the hub. That hub, we in ISCO like make a plan and strategic. This is like main program to support a student to study. The first one is the hub. We give the student the scholarship and sponsorship of them to continue their study in a school or universities. And the second one is the brightness. That brightness, actually, it's we speak around 10 projects. That 10 projects we speak. Each project is like specific projects. For example, for the medical student, for the human sciences student, in the university degrees, and also in school degree in primary education. By this program also provide to them sponsorship, scholarship, and also give them training and give them awareness and knowledge program to start and to continue their education, and empowerment projects. That project is like to open after the student who graduate. We also help them to open their main own projects. For example, if he in programming, we provide to them some funding to them to start their projects. So also that student who already graduated, he can as be hub in his family, and he can help his brothers and sisters, his siblings, by teach them, by sponsoring them, and also develop this project specifically for schools and universities. Inside universities, what we can